Hello, CC friends. This is again Francis for today's video. Magre-review ulit tayo ng pabango. Alright. So, ano nga ba itong pabango na i-review natin today? Ito yung isa sa mga pabango na sobrang gustong gusto ko. This is actually one of the perfumes that I bought from Westworld Souk dito sa may bandang Kalayaan, Quezon City. And nagpunta ako doon and nag-sniff test ako ng mga pabango nila. And ang daming pabango doon. So, it's a good thing na they're able to provide a lot of tester perfumes. So, maganda doon. Siyempre, nasubukan natin yung mga perfumes bago natin bilhin. So, isa ito sa mga nagustuhan ko talaga. And, huwag na natin patagalin, actually. Ang pabango na pag-uusapan natin tonight is ang Rasasi Hawas Elixir. Alright. Munti ko lang masabing Hawas Ice. Alright. Actually, itong Rasasi Hawas Elixir, yung nga, nasabi ko sa inyo, nung naamoy ko siya, first time around, ito na, sabi ko, this is what I'm going to purchase from Westworld Souk. So, the price that I paid for this one is 1,800 pesos. And unfortunately, knowing myself, natapok ko na ulit yung box niya. Okay. Yung box lang naman niya is very simple. Gold na box and may content design tapos may branding ng Hawas Elixir. Right. Now, in terms of the bottle itself, ang ganda ng bottle. Kaya nga lang, very fingerprint magnet siya. Kita nyo na, sobrang dumi ng ating bottle. So, kailangan natin punas-punasan siya paminsan-minsan to remove the fingerprints all throughout the bottle. Okay? So, in front, kita nyo, may nakasulat na Hawas, right? And then, Elixir, okay? And may Arabic fonts na nakalagay din siya. And then, in terms of the cap, maganda yung cap niya, metallic, and nakasulat na Rasasi sa ibabaw. And the same as with the other Hawas bottles, meron siyang snake body sa kanyang palibot. Pero, yun nga lang, wala siyang head. And it's black sa loob. Alright. Now, in terms of the atomizer and the sprayer, right, it's also in gold. And napapansin nyo nga lang dito sa kanyang ibabaw, yan, nagbabak-bak-bak na siya. Kasi siguro because of the alcohol and the oils. So, yan. And then at the bottom, yan, may nasulat lang na may sticker lang na nakalagay dito yung kanyang Hawas. It's a eau de perfume concentration. This is 100 ml and again, the price is 1,800 pesos. Okay. Let's go ahead and spray this on our wrist. Okay, 1, 2. Ayan. Okay, kita nyo, tama lang. Medium lang yung kanyang spread ng kanyang spray. And pagka opening niya pa lang, maamoy mo na kagad yung parang pagka-chocolatey smell, vanilla, very sweet, aromatic, and very alluring. Okay, mapapa-in love ka kagad. For me, doon ako na ano sa kanyang pagka-vanilla. Naamoy mo kagad yung vanilla scent niya. And very sweet siya at the same time. So, yan. Naamoy mo yung kanyang sweetness and may pagka-chocolate rin siya. Pero very mild lang naman yung pagka-chocolate niya. And meron siyang konting citrus. Okay. Very mild lang naman yung citrus niya. And actually, yun nga pala, it's dupe supposedly of Limal Elixir. Alright? But other reviewers are saying na medyo off beat siya. May konti siyang difference sa Limal Elixir. I haven't smelled the Limal Elixir perfume, so I wouldn't be able to compare it from Hawas Elixir. But again, the scent profile of the Hawas Elixir is very sweet, chocolatey, may pagka-vanilla rin siya, and I would suggest that you use this during date nights or paglalabas kayo sa gabi, dinner with your friends, and I would suggest this to be sprayed in the afternoon or in the morning kasi nga mas bagay siya sa gabi. In terms of projection, ito, I could say probably 2-3 meters away, you should be able to have the other people around you smell yung pabango. Okay? And in terms of longevity, masasabi natin na siguro mga nasa 7 to 8 hours. Ang ganda ng kanyang longevity. Tumatagal talaga siya, especially sa damit. Pagka na-spray mo siya sa damit, umabot siguro siya ng 8 to 9 hours. Okay? So, sa skin naman, around 7 hours, magiging skin set na siya. So, there. Okay. So, ano ba masasabi natin? Our final thoughts for the Sassy Hawas Elixir. Alright? Very good perfume. I would probably rate this 9 out of 10. Okay? Because of the way it smells and the way it performs. And the price. Crazy price at 1,800 pesos. Amazing talaga yung mga products na ginagawa ni Hawas so far. So far, so good. I really like it. Do I recommend doing a blind buy? If you probably like the scent profile of Limal Elixir na sweet and pagka vanilla, then I would suggest that you go ahead and get this. But otherwise, if you don't, then of course, try to sniff first before you buy it. Okay? So, that's it for today. If you have any suggestions, questions, and any perfumes na gusto mong i-review natin, let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to purchase that perfume and give you a review. And again, this is Francis. Thank you so much for watching CC Vlogs and Review. See you again soon. Bye!